Hey everybody, it's Lexi.
It's Brittany.
It's Shada.
And it's Jordan.
And you're watching Dope Christian TV. Today we're going to be doing something a little different and fun. We're going to be doing painting with a twist, but at home, Dope Christian TV style. So we have 10 minutes to paint a lovely fall picture, as you see. Yes, here. As we eat on our lovely hors d'oeuvres, we have some sparkling cider, not alcoholic beverage. And we also have a plate of hors d'oeuvres with strawberries, cheese, and Canadian bacon.
So, we're just going to be talking to you guys as we paint. We're probably going to be very focused, but hopefully we can talk and paint at the same time. This will be very funny and see our end results. If you're new to our channel, welcome. We are a Christian YouTube channel. We have everything from finance to beauty to relationships to you. And if you like those topics, you should go ahead and click the subscribe button right below and click the notification bell to get notified every time we upload, which is Friday at noon.
With all that being said, let's get on into the video.
Yes.
Wow. Gonna be tipsy, guys.
Painting with a twist.
12 seconds later.
If you notice, our food is gone because we smashed it. So that food is gone, and we also drank all of our beer. Actually, just sparkling cider.
Okay. Right. So we are going to set the timer for 10 minutes, and we're going to play some classical music. You cannot look at other people's painting as you go.
That's trash, bro.
Just count us down.
5, 4, 3,
And we still have to talk, y'all.
Oh. Okay. Wait. Okay.
So,
This is scary.
it's November, right?
Definitely November
I'm scared.
4th, actually.
And we are slowly approaching many holidays, such as New Year's
Wow, that's crazy.
and our 1 year anniversary. How do you guys feel about that?
How can you even speak right now?
Because we're supposed to.
I feel exhausted.
Yeah.
Yes, this year has actually been a lot
Yeah.
for me personally.
Mm-hmm.
A lot of school things,
Mm-hmm.
a lot of personal things. So I'm kind of glad this year's ending.
Same.
I'm surprised I even made it.
It's like you want the year to be over, but at the same time, it's like that means life is moving faster.
Right.
So that means you get older faster,
Yeah.
and then that means you graduate faster,
Yeah.
and then that means real life happen again,
Yeah.
and you like, I'll pass.
Right.
That bring us down.
You're welcome.
Well, yeah, personally, I thought this year was going to be, I mean, it wasn't terrible. I'm not going to sit up here and say that because I've had worse years, way worse years.
But this one at the same time wasn't my year.
Right, but this wasn't, you know, the one that I thought it was going to be. You know what I'm saying?
Definitely not what I thought the year was going to be.
Yeah, obviously, you know, you guys know we almost quit YouTube a couple times.
In our first year, isn't that crazy?
Right.
We already told you in our movie.
If you haven't seen it, click the eye on the screen.
Yes.
Wow.
I wanted to do a low impact video. And yet, this is escalating quicker than I thought.
What time is it?
I don't even know.
We
6
have
minutes.
6 minutes.
Oh, you're lying. 10 minutes is not. We should have did that.
Oh.
Cancel it.
Wow.
Cancel it.
We couldn't get 20? 15?
Let's just add 5 minutes, real fast.
How is this?
Cheaters.
Cause I'm not.
That's crazy, bro. What the devil?
Hey, that's kind of like the year, huh?
Right, actually.
Wow, yeah. Look at that metaphor. The time is winding down.
Wow.
Yeah, that's basically this year.
Yeah.
Freaking finals, freaking midterms,
Yeah.
freaking life.
But, you know, since the year is coming to an end, this is the time where we usually make our goals for the next year.
Start with you, Britt.
Well, one of my goals for next year would be to graduate.
Oh yeah, that's super important.
With my bachelor's in marketing, it's been a ride there. I was supposed to graduate this year, the beginning of this year actually, in May. But you know, I guess the Lord had other plans. But they weren't my plans, obviously. I plan to graduate next year. That's one of my goals there. I guess another goal would be health-wise. I'd like to be more healthier than I am. I'd rather be a couple pounds lighter. I want to go to some things, like not necessarily conferences, but kind of.
Oh, really?
But not the ones you.
Which conferences?
I don't know yet. Something for spiritual growth.
Oh,
You know, since that's important as well.
interesting.
Not what you were saying, however. But,
Hmm.
yes, something of that nature. I mean, I have more, but no one has time to hear all that. So, on to Lexi.
So this upcoming year was really important to me as my spiritual growth, of course. Definitely want to level up in that area. Definitely health-wise, definitely want to not just lose weight, but I just want to be overall healthy. I'm getting older, so you know, things like, you know, high cholesterol and things exist in my family. So I just want to make sure my temple is good. I want to be financially stable and responsible. And lastly, just thinking about my businesses and things like that. That's really the main things that I would like to see happen in 2019. Jada, what about you?
Get the H up out of where I am right now. Get settled in my job. Know what I'm doing for sure. For sure. Instead of hopping around. Hopefully have some type of friendship or something.
Oh,
Somewhere.
that's interesting.
Yeah, kind of long. Would rather get into a year where I'm not completely by myself all year.
Kind of want to graduate.
Next year, though?
I mean,
Just got there.
This year. I mean, I want to graduate every year, of course, but I just want to see, you know, Dope Christian TV. You know.
We're not talking about Dr. T right now. We're talking about your.
But that's what I want.
No.
That ain't what you want.
That's truly what I want.
We canceling that.
Why?
Cause we didn't do that part yet. Are you serious?
Huh.
Guess we'll start with you.
That's-
About Jordan. Do you know who Jordan is?
Well, I guess I want to find who Jordan is.
Wow. You're welcome.
You're welcome. Thank you. Appreciate it. Yeah, because I don't really know who she is yet.
No, absolutely no. Like 2 more minutes.
We tried. We failed. We would not be doing 10 minutes.
No, we
because-
can't do
10 more.
Yeah, 10 more minutes. Because
Starting now.
What type of trash was that?
Right.
10 minutes let me go fast in real life. Like,
Right.
What type of trash? We obviously have some dope Christian TV goals for our
Sorry.
channel.
I just want to see Dope Christian TV not only be on a bigger scale, but like be able to branch out with like other like YouTube channels and like other people, like with different churches, youth and stuff.
What would you like to see with yourself as far as your role in Dope Christian TV?
I guess to just like see a difference in myself. It's like, you know how we make videos and then you'll see them later on, and then you could like think in yourself, be like, wow, I was a totally different person at that time, and just see where you are now compared to where you were when you were making the video.
I would like to see it flourish. We, you know, because we don't really often hear about everybody's feedback like I want to start hearing. And I just want to start traveling.
I personally would like to just see Dope Christian TV go on a whole nother level. Network with other churches, start thinking about the bigger picture, about things we want to do, take it from YouTube into the real world.
Intriguing. You know, obviously more subscribers. I mean, that's more exposure
Right.
to people. I just want to hear that, you know, different people from different countries, you know, have found us, and you know, they actually like we've changed their lives.
And that they found Jesus.
Yeah,
I think that's what I would really like, is to hear like people are
actually coming to Christ.
actually coming to Christ and not just like watching the YouTube.
I don't always want to have to resort to YouTube,
Right.
you know, to spread the gospel
Right.
in our lives.
Right.
Because obviously, it can only take you so far.
Right.
I don't think I'm keeping this picture.
Y'all want us to sign this and we send it to you?
I gave you my
Not for
best.
anybody, but you know.
For you, we only got 3 minutes.
Oh,
Are you serious?
Whoa. Whoa there, buddy.
It's not just fun like how you were making it seem like it was.
Because it's still fun,
It's really not.
but there's more
because
pressure.
I don't like that.
Pressure.
And that's
2
just
minutes.
what life is.
That is just what life is. It's time. It's just
And it's not on your side.
slipping away. What are you gonna do with the time you have?
Time is a thief.
You gonna throw it away? You gonna make it trash?
Yeah.
Or you gonna make it art? You gonna make it art?
1 minute and 38 seconds.
Oh,
There's
whoa.
no possible way. Now, don't go thinking you can just keep adding time in real life.
Right.
You can't.
You can't buy it.
You can't.
You get one
But
shot.
in this case, kind of, but not.
You get one shot and one shot only.
Well, I haven't taken a drink this whole
Oh
time.
my goodness. How are you painting with no beverage?
14 seconds.
No, I'm not done. It's never gonna happen.
And that's what negative thinking will get you in life.
Oh, wow.
So many lessons in this video. Oh!
Alright, we added 5
Added
more
what?
minutes.
Alright.
Let's use the paint.
For play,
That's why she was so excited to do this.
For play, I used to paint.
I don't believe that.
She said this
I
food
paint.
and
I mean,
dessert.
draw. I don't paint.
Aren't you glad I told you to save the $10?
I got $4.
What the devil you doing?
I gave it for offering.
Oh wow, okay.
I had to give it for offering. I ain't gonna get no more money.
Right. I'm glad you be listening, daughter.
I do be listening, you know.
Thanks to me.
Okay, Britt.
Because you
always-
what you was about to do last week. You was about to keep that money.
I was.
Because she was like, I ain't gonna have no money.
Mm.
Jordan, are you serious? You better with the 90% than you are the 100%.
You right, and I listened, but this week it was all me. It was all me. But I wasn't gonna give, and then I was like, you know what? I guess I can just do this. I can do this. I am paying
You done?
something. You know, I'm
done picked
doing
up
some
the brush
touch-ups. I mean, it's still gonna be ugly regardless, but I mean, I'm at least trying.
That's all you can do.
That's all you can do in life is try and do the best you can do.
Y'all, we played y'all talking about some 10 minutes. This been about to be
20.
25 minutes. How many minutes we got left?
1 minute and 19
This
seconds.
is not okay.
But I get to put my name at the bottom like a cousin.
I don't want nobody to know that I drew this.
This is hilarious.
Where's the white? Let me get the white.
Is white in the picture? Where y'all put white for?
No, my name.
Oh. Look like some dang apples on here.
Oh. Brittany, come on.
Oh, no.
I'm done with this.
No. I need, I need an orange. Time! The big reveal is now. Ready?
I was
Steady,
smelling it
bro.
too.
It smells good.
That's that.
You don't like the smell of paint?
It's
Y'all
like,
sick, cause y'all like the smell of gas too.
but gas smell good.
It smells like when you
No.
first move into a house.
And they just painted your wall.
Ready, set, go. Our paintings. And we all have our signature here, so if you want these pictures, we'll mail them to you. What do you guys think? Let us know which one is your favorite, which one got closest to the actual picture that you think.
If you guys want to try this at home, if you can't maybe afford painting with a twist or something, or just something to do at home, super try it. Painting with a twist can be super expensive. These were really cheap, only $3 for 3 canvases. The paints were cheap, like what, $1.50. And the brushes were cheap too. You can get you some sparkling grape juice, not wine, and some little hors d'oeuvres and have a family paint night or something like that. So make sure if you do it, let us know. Tag us on Instagram or Facebook, or comment down below if you decide to give it a try.
We will see you next Friday at noon for our new video. Stay blessed and stay lit.
Bye.